For latest updates, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive all notifications of my videos and keep smiling.
हेलो नमस्कार ट्रिनियंस। सो कैसे हैं आप लोग? मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त एंड होस्ट तृष्णा एंड यू आर वाचिंग माय चैनल दैट इज कैंडिडली योर्स। सो आई एम बैक अगेन विद अनदर अनबॉक्सिंग एंड जो बॉक्स आज मैं आपके सामने अनबॉक्स करने जा रही हूं उसका नाम है लेडी रागा। Interesting name, right? So Lady Raga is again a beauty subscription box जो कि आपके सामने 4 to 5 बहुत ही अमेजिंग मिक्स ऑफ आइटम्स को कंबाइन करके एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल से बैग में आपके सामने लाता है एंड जिसका 1 मंथ का प्राइस है 555 रुपीज़। And for more info, you just have to scroll down to my description space. So let's quickly start up with the unboxing of Lady Raga. So the bag came in a very usual courier packaging। एक बहुत ही courier जो normal courier packets होते हैं उसमें ही ये wrap होके आया था और उसके अंदर the bag was bubble wrapped। So the प्लस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर बॉक्स इज़ दैट ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग बैग्स आपके सामने लाते हैं एंड बहुत ही अच्छे चॉइसेस होते हैं बैग्स के दैट यू कैन यूज़ एज अ पाउच, एज अ स्टोरेज पाउच, एज अ कॉस्मेटिक पाउच लेटर ऑन एज वेल। सो मेरे पास इसका पर्टिकुलर चॉइस का मेल आया था एंड आई chose this particular bag in the priority, and so I got this very cute black pouch and this was bubble wrapped in the courier packaging, and let's see what's there inside this. So the first product and the star product of this particular this particular bag, and it is the extended March edition that I had ordered for. So the exact star product of this particular bag is this Maybelline Color Jolt lipsticks. So can you believe that our subscription box can actually cater to such beautiful brands, and even I haven't seen Maybelline in any of the subscription boxes. So मेरा जो पहला reason था इस particular box को bag को order करने का या bag को subscribe करने का वो just because of this particular lipstick. Right, so the color that I've got is an orange outburst. So quickly let's see what is the shade like. I'll just swatch it. Yeah, so this is the shade. It's a very orange, reddish orange kind of a shade. Very nice, very cute, and the formulation is also very nice. I was actually looking forward to use this to buy this particular product, and I have got this in my subscription box. So what more can I ask for, right? So this was the first product, and again the prices and everything will be mentioned in the screen. Yeah, so the second product that we have is a Flaunt BB lotion, right? So this is a Flaunt Naturals BB lotion, and so अगर मैं इस ब्रांड के बारे में बात करूँ, so this is the first time that I'm using this brand. I would be using the brand rather. So मैंने इस particular brand के बारे में पहले सुना भी नहीं है. So but again I guess this is a natural brand, and BB lotion is probably it's like a BB cream, but more in a lotion, a more liquidy form it would be. So let's quickly see कि इसका क्या consistency है और किस तरीके का ये product है. I'll just take a little pump. Oh, I have taken a lot of it. तो और बहुत ही liquidy है ये. So it's a lotion. So अगर मैं इसको just जल्दी से देखना चाहूँगी कि कैसा लग रहा है. So you can see like it has a very dewy finish, and it's actually spreading like a lotion rather than a cream. So मेरे हिसाब से तो इसको आप एक नॉर्मल रूटीन में भी यूज़ कर सकते हो वेन एवर यूर गोइंग आउट एंड यू जस्ट डोंट वांट कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी कोई मेकअप करो, या इवन नॉट एज लाइक बीबी क्रीम्स. सो आप इस पर्टिकुलर लोशन को यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड अभी के लिए माई फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन इज़ लाइक इट इज़ एक्चुअली गिविंग अ वेरी नाइस फिनिश, एंड द कवरेज इज़ ऑल्सो गुड क्योंकि ये एक लोशन फॉर्म में है. सो ऑब्वियसली ये स्प्रेड ज़्यादा करेगा, एंड तो मुझे ये बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है अभी तक. सो आई विल बी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू यूज़ दिस. सो दिस इज़ द सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम द बैग. सो द थर्ड प्रोडक्ट दैट वी हैव इज़ Roots and Herbs shower gel, right? It's a shower gel which has invigorating shwet, chandan and saffron. So it's a chandan and saffron shower gel, and the fragrance also is of the similar kinds. Chandan and saffron ka mix hai isme. And Roots and Herbs is a brand that I've heard of, even from the YouTubers also, and even on the internet. So it's a very herbal brand. It's an organic brand, but again I haven't used it till now. So still I am looking forward to use this, because this brand has been again very much appreciated on the internet and by the YouTubers. So I would really look forward to use this shower gel, and let's see how it works. So the fourth product that I have is a very sample size product, and it's an EcoFresh wash hand and body wash. So it's a sample product. I guess it's a 15 ml product. Yeah, it's a 15 ml product, and it is both a hand and a body wash, right? So again, this brand is new, but it looks very citrusy and very clear, in terms of formulation. So let's see how it it works around. So this is again a new product for me. So now we come to a very interesting piece of thing. So in Lady Raga, they also give a particular one pair of jewelry. It can be a earring or it can be a bracelet, whatever they feel like, but that is a very good part of this particular bag. So this is the second reason that I have actually taken up Lady Raga as a subscription. So this is the earring that I've got in the Lady Raga extended March edition. If you can see, it's such a beautiful earring, and since the kind of person I am, I'm very much towards and inclined towards earrings, और मुझे jewelry और इन सब का बहुत शौक है, and so I really love this particular earring. I guess this will really look good. See, how does this look? It looks so beautiful. It's a blue and metal earring, and then there's some kind of a detailing down there also. So it's a really nice earring, and I am gonna use this for sure. So this was all about this particular bag, but then Lady Raga also renders a one surprise gift in the bag. एक surprise gift ज़रूर होता है उनके bag में. So it is quite nicely packed up, and I haven't opened it because I thought I will open it in front of you all. So let's quickly open this up and see how does this actually go. So I've unwrapped this Nature's Co Cool Cucumber Body Lotion. So this was there in the as a surprise gift for me. So you can have a look at this. So again, the Nature's Co is a very organic and natural brand, and I've used several products, and I really love this brand in terms of its consistency, in terms of its formulation. बहुत अच्छे formulation products होते हैं इसके. And so this particular body lotion is a Cool Cucumber body lotion, and again it's a 30 ml product. It's a sample size product, right? So let's see how it goes, and I will surely see how this works, because Nature's Co is one of my favorite brands. It's going to be one of my favorite brands. So that's all in the Lady Raga extended March edition. और अगर मैं अपने favorites की बात करूँ तो certainly first is Maybelline lip color. The second is the pair of earring. But I am looking forward to use the baby lotion, and also जो भी बाकी products हैं उसके लिए भी मैं बहुत excited हूँ use करने के लिए. So मेरे according ये particular bag है एकदम हट के. एंड आपका क्या ख्याल है इस पर्टिकुलर बैग के बारे में, मुझे ज़रूर जानना है. सो प्लीज़ कमेंट करिएगा मेरे इस वीडियो में, ठीक है. सो और अगर आप चाहते हो कि इन सारे प्रोडक्ट्स का रिव्यू भी मैं आपके सामने करूं, और अगर आप रिव्यू भी जानना चाहते हो तो बस आपको कमेंट करना है और मुझे बताना है कि किस प्रोडक्ट का रिव्यू आप देखना चाहते हैं. सो फॉर नाउ मुझे जाना होगा, एंड आपको क्या करना है, आपको सर्टेनली लाइक करना है मेरा ये वीडियो अगर आपको ये बैग पसंद आया है, एंड सब्सक्राइब करना है मेरा चैनल फॉर ऑल दी रीसेंट अपडेट्स. सो अंटिल वी मीट अगेन, टेक केयर, मच लव एंड कीप गोइंग.